ووضع الكتاب فترى المجرمين مشفقين مما فيه. On that day, they will put the book of our deeds in front of us, you and I. And you will see the sinner will be terrified. يقول ما هذا الكتاب. What kind of book is this? لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها. What kind of book in front of me today that is not leaving anything behind? All I need is in this book. وَوَجَدُوا مَا عَمِلُوا حَاضِرًا. Allah said they will find what they did present. وَلَا يَظْلِمُ رَبُّكَ أَحَدًا. Allah never wronged anyone. Go to Surah Al-Isra. وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره في عنقه ونخرج له يوم القيامة كتابا يلقاه منشورا اقرأ كتابك.
تكبير.
الله أكبر.
اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيب. And you know what you find in that book is true. You can never deny. So on that day, the only thing that will help you, brothers, is the love of Allah. So Allah loves those who are doing good. With this good doing, Allah is not going to punish them the day that people are terrified. يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وصاحبته وبنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه. On that day that everybody is running away, you love your wife so much, but on that day she's running away from you. Your mom loves you so much, on that day she's running away from you. Who is going to stay for you? The love of Allah. So seek the love of Allah. Seek the pleasure of Allah. Whatever you do, try to make sure what you are pleasing Allah. With this, Allah will love you and I.